What brought you here?
We actually came in peace. We are looking for the owner of this house. That's why we are here.
The owner of this house?
Yes, please.
Asimbi Owana.
This is my sister, in fact, my younger sister.
Yeah.
And the owner of this house is his boyfriend.
Yeah.
So we are here to see him. Because right now, as we speak, my sister is pregnant, expecting a baby boy.
Wait. Do you have any idea about the owner of this house?
Oh yes, Kwame.
Kwame?
Yeah. Yeah, that's my husband.
I don't think this is the seventh time. I don't think. What's wrong? What's wrong? Just go straight to the point.
Go straight to the point.
As we are talking, I am the owner of this house, so I'm wondering why you are asking of the owner of the house. And
Sorry?
so a lot of stories. I am the owner of the house.
Oh please, we are serious, easy. We are actually here on a mission. So you are the owner how?
He's the owner of this house, like.
Kwame
and my husband to be Kwame, fair guy.
Wow. Anyway, I am so sorry because ABI bet me I the because I have had like 6 girls who I think one just left and she came here with a pregnancy complaining that on a Kwame and her complaints was like Kwame said he's the owner of the house and so Lord because
so where is Kwame? Like where is he?
Kwame is not the owner of the house. Kwame is Makra.
I was just in what way? Because Kwame dear waka be actually me and you. What's if you have a dear? He has to shower your mother worry. It's boss. Okay, say he's not the owner of this house. But
I'm so sorry.
But who is he? Because he actually brought my sister to this house.
Exercise station. Take it easy. I told you. Do I look like a person who is playing?
So where is he now? Like
Kwame is no more. Kwame is just a house help.
How?
And I left him the house when I was leaving.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good, and you?
You good?
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Oh, okay. Now, you're back. Come on.
I went to buy something. I'm not going home.
Oh, you're going home? Oh, you live around?
Oh yeah, I live around.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Okay, actually, I am new here.
Okay.
I came back from States no long ago.
Okay.
Yeah, I came to see a friend here. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I saw you coming.
Alright.
But soon be me home. Mama, my dream. And then,
Okay.
I mean, you are beautiful.
Thank
You are so nice. There's a packaging, everything is solid.
you. Yeah.
And say, wouldn't be. I see engineering I don't know if I can get your contact so that we can vibe more. Okay.
Vibe as in what?
Oh, vibe as in friendship. Like, I really like you. Immediately I saw you, it just took me from here to the other place.
Really likes me.
Yeah, I like you, and if you wouldn't mind.
If it's about relationship and stuff, I'm dating.
Come on. Now, how much do your boy know? How much does he have? Mommy, I have money.
That's not a problem.
No, listen to me. I just come back from state. The less he wants, cities he wants, pounds he wants. I'll go give you.
I'm dating.
Listen to me. I'll go bath you from your thin hair to the feet. of your food.
Okay.
Mommy, I'll make sure say my shower maybe I didn't akawabushi.
Okay.
Okay, any big deal. I say you let me have your contacts.
I said I'm dating. But you meet me dating me too. So like friendship and when the other back can when I go fast maba. You me dating me guy me don the power would be there. And yet be out here man who be a webinar and beg I be quite non fabric chibiana.
No. One person no. Listen to yourself. You love your boy, but only be. Can this sound good in your ears?
We have dated for almost 3 years.
Oh, come on.
It's now by now, I say, me pass shop, and the guy me don't meet me yet. Say, friendship, I can manage to give it to you, but.
Oh, no, listen.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, bounce over.
Christina, now what is it?
Say.
For the past 3 days, let's say,
Mrs. Town, who pay crown what time is soon?
Who is the pa? It didn't want you feel.
I mean, I am one because, hey,
when you make one of the Bema, Sabi, no one tell me, me know about it.
I don't cry, dear, 7 5 children.
Piano time, you don't want to know what you have. Christina, Miss, the Moses down more, no wood, you know, and pull 2 hours more. Miss Simba, we say 10 years and a couple of boss of us. Over chat with your mammy. Yeah.
One I met on would be a minute young.
Wow,
I'm a beauty.
My good dear, come and say, who is that? So I'm not wanting. Who is Diana? She wouldn't know. Me man, your door, my door was
catch me. I didn't know what's more than that. Huh? I didn't them. I make a such show. Won't see. Now, what's so brand here? Men can't just say food in Sifia. Men can't tell you. Come see us the call him. Okay. Oh, be some so okay.
My bro.
Where would you then? Wouldn't you then?
Men fanning your
Belinda, wouldn't you then?
Men fanning your shins and I'm in it, me in a hair. Now, them didn't baby, I'm fanning it. Uncle Ben, Yabo Tre. Why not? Mrs. Fiasse call. Men can't just call me Sifia. Men can't show. Oh no, who didn't you in a day? Wouldn't you then? Who don't mind? I wouldn't wish you no capre. Me put that to the nechi. Free see so that I didn't who fear. Hello, Johnny life, man. Who see so that I would fear Hanum, dear, now the other fear her. And your mamma and papa ne petrol, catch me. One fashion, my, see your decline. Do you say to me, the moment I call one fashion, my fashion, but me fashion, at least my foot be say, I'm Bobra. If you say Bobra, I had no who be more than price. Maybe then I tire you. Okay, and I'm a oh, Meno Casas, Brassy, but you not say. I don't want to boy, or do back with singing and found. But papa, I feel money. I don't want stand the door. Somebody I said, yes, what I said to you, who feel out if you're a young too. So that's a many boy, yet if you're too. Let's see what I'm so many fiabium. Miss Mama, fear her pure member, and never your first and last. Young and frame so near beam. Said watch it. Said boy, no bad Pamna. That's some way who see. Well, only know who she is. Sorry, I could do crop. I some man no. Who bedin a cheek? A common me. A woman a cheek. A common name. The empressor may come out and say, so was Saki boy will fear beam. And I saw best stopping me from and Cassam who so would near crowd that. To a bush and I'm intimidated because me no more older and dear father. I sure about 3 more. Ah, I sure about 3 more. Okay, Mammy, your pen alcohol fire. I don't know when you who name fear. It's DNF only I could talk for the mother. A DNF, and Freddie and Bema, and I Bema or Chester who was sick. And now your Bema papa, Yanseni Bema choice, and I'll be a fiasse. Where only was it a poor Jimmy? Who poor Jimmy? I'm in Penny has say, and I'm in the Yebeshe, who Fanya and Senifa found fashion, Mafia, and submitted them. Yebeshe, ye be hwe me do ne be tena fia se o ye be ma o fi ni na si fie ha se me twen no sa kwa no so e fitani o so e carpenter ni o be to me wa ha se me twen no aye nkonkwo ti a me mpene so a wo be te wo ho tani wo bi a no so de ko
Yeah, Tyme no unia. Station. I don't know what better thing say. And somehow dancing and somehow pop. Boy, we better say enla. You call blessing and fear honor. Na me need you come. Hey, searching eyes to see penny bepe. Me say kwani sister ndi me fa so fie ho no la eto me ho ade ni sister no be wale ni nuana na minim abrabo we mu se me susu nyakopo be to nsupa gu mabrabo so me di ye boy me doge no ana ge no so do me na treatment ni sister de ye namu no minim se sister wale ni nuaba no ho mo dia abrabo so de ntubuase nyawo bu fiti preko pempo wo se mo ja pepa enti be ma ni bia eno che se da bia hey na wono so onye no wale bla wo wudi ani mu akwa no di wache wo sua wo nante no wo wale me nkwase asem se bi tram se me wale Ghana ni no because Ghana for mu ye nyimu o mu ye nsam because ono na ono de open na ade no de opa ade no kwa nani ha no hu na de otenchen no tenchen se me enipa bi na peerless na we say sister say me frusi girl super before say me see no bla e just a girl na hwe me wo da hwe machi bla e just me nyane wa say me one side nyina me bitimi fa girl ya e fa na manage ntumu nyina na we sister we wu kama ye bia mawa ene wu feel bla na me so ati nyina girl na jim hu fu nyina hwe ukaje da form onye kesi nyina ma soma wa a wo che wu boy this year de nyame ase no woni mo nyampa de amaka na kwati nyankopon wo kwati no de nyankopon yo kale mami nyemo ho na we ya me